Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to an episode of Pat Tate's Performance. This is very important. This is a 911 if you own a OBS GMC with a 6.5 in it. Alright, I'm not sure about a 6.2. Okay, Mandingo has been making a noise for quite some time. I always thought it was the power steering pump. I am running a too short of a belt, I know now. But after doing some probing around, I actually found the noise to this like racking sound. And in the past, I thought it was the power steering pump, and the power steering pump has blown. Shaft seals, the whole line, because I am running a too tight of a belt. 96 is an off year. I will have an updated video on that. So the original video I did on this, no good. So I have to go back to that video, pin a comment, and probably end up deleting that one too. It is what it is. And Mandingo is a workhorse when we do use. It's got 171,944 miles, but this thing has a lot of idle time. When the missus and I do snow removal, we never shut this truck off. Once it starts, it always stays running until we get back home. So you guys have questions about this, I'll just boot up for you guys. Hopefully the camera can pick this up. Alright guys, so just a quick easy thing we have here. Nice easy test. Let's see if we can just put these on. Alright. I'll have to pull the belt off. But you see that? You see that shiny mark right there? See that shiny mark right there? Focus. That's this pulley slapping around. And I'll throw another video in there and you guys can hear that clanking sound. So I'm going to head over to LeroyDiesel.com and get myself a bullet crankshaft pulley and a fluid dampener. Alright guys, so I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'll throw a link in the description for Leroy Diesel's page. He is the OG vendor, okay? All of my 6.5s have been riddled with his parts. Great vendor, great customer support. Later. I've been flying from town to town.